Hello everyone, this is your ideal space with Latifa Tago, and today we are in Vipingo. So we are in Pazuri Gated Community, a project by Superior Homes. So today I'll be showing you these amazing villas located in this gated community, and we have the 4-bedroom all-en-suite villa, then we have the 3-bedroom, and I'll be showing you the 2. So right here I'm standing in the 4-bedroom all-en-suite villa, and I'm at the living room space. This is a very spacious living room that can fit a 5-seater comfortably, your TV unit set, and we have the French windows to bring in enough lighting to your living room space. So the living room space is adjacent to the kitchen, which is American style kitchen, open kitchen that is very spacious to do all your cooking. We have here this well-defined dining area also adjacent to the kitchen. So this makes it so easy for you for when you're cooking. You can easily serve your food right here and enjoy your meal. So this house, something I've noticed is it is well lit. We even have another window here. It's literally a French window and also a door which leads to the garden area or the swimming pool area. So I really like the marble top in the kitchen, the many cabinets where you can store your food. Then we have the pantry here to keep all your dry foods. And right here you can sit with your guests and enjoy a glass of wine. It's very nice. So that's it for the kitchen, dining area, and the living room space. So right now let's go ahead and check out the rest of the house. Wow. So on the ground level, we have 2 bedrooms. That one right there, and there's another one right there. Come with me, let me show you the first bedroom. Wow. Look at how beautiful this bedroom is. So this is the primary bedroom, ideal for your guest. It can fit a 5x6 bed easily. It has enough lighting coming in from these wonderful French windows, and we even have a balcony right there. This is a very nice wardrobe that can fit all your guest clothes. And right here we have a very spacious bathroom that your guest can enjoy privately. Now let's check out the rest of the bedrooms. So this is the 2nd bedroom on the lower level, and now I will take you up to the other 2 rooms. Come with me. So we are done with the ground level, and this is the first level of this stunning villa. So right here we have the 3rd bedroom, and now I'll show you the master bedroom. This master bedroom is well lit. It can fit a 6x6 bed easily, even a couch and a lounge area. It is a very spacious master bedroom with even a space for your office, and we even have a walk-in closet. Come, let me show you. Wow. Look at this walk-in closet. This is the definition of luxury. So we have here enough space for all your clothes, shoes, and all you may want to put in here. Now we have here also the bathroom, which is very huge, by the way. I think it's bigger than the others, and I absolutely love it. I like the glass door, I like the shower head, and the lighting that's coming in is enough for you to do your beauty things, you know. So let's go to the upper floor of the house where we have the terrace. Look at how big and spacious this place is. This is the terrace where you can put your parties, all your functions. You can host your guests here. You can also use this place for your relaxation because there's very beautiful view of the ocean and it's very serene, very nice breeze coming in. I really like it here. So for only 24.98 million, you can own this villa. You can make it your home or your holiday home. And for those interested in a 3-bedroom, this is a 3-bedroom bungalow all en suite going for only 18.98 million, and the other one was going for 24.98 million. The community offers a wide range of activities, like there is a common swimming pool and it is next to Vipingo Ridge Golf Club, which you can become a member and part of the community too, and it's near the beach. So this place is best for family holidays and for your investment too. So for this and more, you can reach us through the number on your screen. My name is Latifa Tago and this is your ideal space.